Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we are going to understand how to send Slack channel message for new Flowdesk subscriber. So here my objective is that whenever a new subscriber will be created in my Flowdesk account, then I want to send a channel message to my team members on Slack. Now to do this, I need to build a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So now to do this, here my trigger application will be Flowdesk and my action application will be Slack. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand how to send Slack channel message for new Flowdesk subscriber. So here my objective is that whenever a new subscriber will be created in my Flowdesk account, then I want to send a channel message to my team members on Slack. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm signing in. Now this here is the all applications page. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. In the meanwhile, subscribe to our channel. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as send Slack channel message for new Flowdesk subscriber, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Flowdesk automation, and now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow we can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to send Slack channel message for new Flowdesk subscriber. So now in order to do this, I will go to my trigger window, and over here I'm going to search for Flowdesk as my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be subscriber created. So this trigger will start working whenever a new subscriber will be created in Flowdesk. Now moving to my action window, as I want to send a channel message on Slack. So here Slack will be my action application. And the action event will be to send channel message. So over here, as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is that whenever a new subscriber will be created in my Flowdesk account, then automatically a channel message should be sent to my team on Slack. So now here to do this, firstly I need to establish a connection between Flowdesk and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I will simply click on connect with Flowdesk. I've opened Flowdesk in one of the tabs. So over here, I'm going to click on allow, as this is a secure access. And you can see that the authorization was successful. So over here, Flowdesk and Pabbly Connect is connected. So now moving to the webhook name. So over here, I need to enter a webhook name. So I'm going to enter the webhook name as connection with Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to mention it, connection with Pabbly Connect. So here I've given the webhook name as well. And now in order to create a subscriber in Flowdesk, I'm using a form. So here in Flowdesk, I have created a form, and my objective is that whenever a user is going to submit this form, then automatically that user will be added as a subscriber in my Flowdesk account. So now here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, over here you can see it is waiting for a response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the response could be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So now in order to do that, I'm going to open this form in incognito mode. So over here I've opened this form in incognito mode, and here I'm going to submit this form. So let's say the first name is dummy and the last name is demo. And here I'm going to mention an email address, that is demodummy@pabblytudes.com. And here I'm going to mention a dummy phone number. So here I've mentioned the details, and now I'm going to click on sign up. So it says, thank you for subscribing. That means this form is successfully submitted and the response of this form would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that I have received a response, and over here you can see here is the subscriber status that is active. Scrolling down to the details, so here you can see the last name, subscriber ID, first name, email ID, along with the phone number and the created ad details of the date and time. So over here the event name is subscriber created. So over here in Pabbly Connect, the details are successfully captured of the form submission. So over here that means a subscriber is successfully created in Flowdesk. So here you can see that in Flowdesk under all subscribers, a new subscriber is created, and here is the mail ID and here is the name of the subscriber. So the first objective of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new subscriber will be created in Flowdesk, then automatically the details of that subscriber will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the details over here of the subscriber, now I want to send a channel message on Slack to my team members. So in order to do that, I need to establish a connection between Slack and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on Connect. And now to add a new connection, I will simply click on Connect with Slack. I've already opened Slack in one of the tabs. So moving to the token type, so here I'm going to select the token type as user. So if you want to know more about the token type, you can click on this hyperlink and know more about it. So here I'm going to click on allow as this is a secure access. And you can see that the authorization was successful. So here you can see that Slack and Pabbly Connect is connected. Now moving to the channel. So over here in Slack, I have created a channel by the name of new Flowdesk subscribers. And in this channel, I want to send a message. So over here in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select my channel. And after selecting the channel, here I'm going to frame the message which I want to send. So here I framed the message. It goes as hello team, new Flowdesk subscriber alert. Here are the details, name, email, phone number. So now to mention the details of name, email, phone number, so I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the response from Flowdesk, so from that response received, I'm mapping the details. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, so I'm going to leave these fields blank as of now because I don't want to mention any image, alt text or the URL along with the bot name. So I'm leaving these fields blank, and over here I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see that I have received a response and this is a positive response. So over here you can see the message text as well. So that means a Slack channel message would have been sent to my team. So now I'm going to take you to my Slack channel. And over here you can see that this here is the message. It goes as hello team, new Flowdesk subscriber alert. Here are the dummy details, name, email and the phone number. So that means a Slack channel message is successfully sent to my team on new Flowdesk subscriber. So this automation is a successful one. That means now whenever a new subscriber will be created in my Flowdesk account, then automatically a Slack channel message will be sent to my team. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.